Hi friends, welcome to my asadreview channel, SiteRobot AI, Breakthrough. The future of building 3D websites with AI and no code is here. Revolutionary, world's first AI app turns your keywords and text prompts into a fully functional stunning website with done-for-you complete content like AI images, AI videos, headlines and so much more. In any niche and language in less than 60 seconds. 2 clicks equals activates built-in website client finder which automatically finds and connects you with high-paying clients, ready to pay you $500 $1,000 per website. No designing and coding skills needed, no website hosting needed, no BS. Create stunning AI websites using your text prompts, no designing required. Transform your keywords and prompts into stunning sites in any niche and language. Built-in website client finder automatically finds high-paying clients and earns you $500 to $1,000 per website on autopilot. Easily design and edit your websites in minutes with built-in drag and drop website editor. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Unlimited website hosting on ultra-fast servers with 100% uptime guarantee. Done for you 10,000 plus jaw-dropping website templates across various categories. Done for you 1,000 stylish fonts and text styles for better visual experience. One-click AI content generation. Add stunning AI images, graphics and videos to your site. Built-in AI copywriter. Craft high-converting sales copies and blog posts for your websites. Built-in AI stock library lets you search and discover your desired content. Add 3D animations to your website elements for better engagement and sales. Built-in one-click image and video optimization tool 10x your website loading speed. Collect unlimited leads with mind-blowing forms and pop-ups. AI-driven SEO tools rank your websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo and Bing. Built-in autoresponder send unlimited emails to your website customers. Built-in automatic device responsiveness. Built-in analytics tool lets you track the website performance. Built-in free SSL certificate integration for secure data transmission. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.